Top 5 Best Home Wind Turbine.
Number 1. Ironwalls Wind Turbine. Available in 3 different colors, blue and white. This wind turbine is definitely suitable for homes and farms. Both the colors are different in structure and designs as well. However, we're discussing the blue one in this article. The generator kit in this turbine is very light and easy to handle. Number 2. Winmax Hy400 500 watt wind generator kit. Designed to generate power from both wind and sun, this residential turbine is perfect for all environments. The device comes with a lightweight motor that has a rated power of 400 watts and a maximum power of 500 watts. This is excellent because it can keep the device running throughout the day. Number 3. Auromax Windmill 1500 watt 24 volt 60 amp wind turbine generator kit. With groundbreaking technological advances that our team has made through years of research, we are proud to bring you a versatile wind turbine that is small, light and compact enough so that it can be used in both residential and small commercial areas. Number 4. Blade Missouri General Freedom 2 Wind Turbine. This particular turbine is designed to be unique and efficient. The device kind of looks like a cult logo, but it's far from anything like that. It comes with 11 blades and is available in gray and black colors. The turbine is ideal for areas with adverse weather. Number 5. Primus Wind Power Air 40 Wind Turbine Generator. This comes with an advanced quality microprocessor for generating more reliable energy. Unlike many other turbines of the same design, this one comes with a pole so that you don't have to buy one locally. You can use the turbine for any other purpose you'd like.